Hello, my name is Cody Briggs. I'm a saddle maker at Big Ben Saddlery. This week we're going to be showing you something a little different. We're going to kind of show you how to make a little Christmas present since it's the holiday seasons are here. So we're going to make a little bracelet. We're going to kind of go back to what we did before. We're going to make a shap knot, and we're going to use that to connect a bracelet. So basically I'm just going to start the same way I did. I have a piece of leather here. It's about 3/4 inch wide. You can make them however wide you want to, but it's just a long strap. I tapered the end so we can run it back through the hole. Now I'm just going to start rolling it up as tight as I can get it. I'll probably get it just about that big. That's about 3 turns or so. And I'm going to go and punch a hole right through the center of it. And I'm going to take the tail, run it through the hole. I'll pull it tight. Alright. Now I'll just kind of figure out the size of the wrist, where you want it to, where you want to make your slot. Make it right about there. I left extra room just because it's a lot easier to cut it off at the end than it is to figure out where you went wrong. So got a little slot. Then we're going to kind of add a little bit of decoration to it. We'll make a couple more slots, kind of like this. What we'll do with these other 2 slots, just turn the tail back, then run it back through itself and then pull. That kind of gives you a little twist in there. And you can add little conchos to these or spots, or pretty much you can do whatever you want to. But there we go, we have a couple twists in it. And we'll just cut the tail off. Make sure you can get your button through the slot. Might have to cut it a little bigger. You don't want to be too big where it'll fall off. But there we go, you got a nice little bracelet you can make in no time and give to somebody if you'd like. That's the tip. So if you have any other ideas, you can give us an email or a call and we can do something that you want. Thank you.